Today's video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a closer look at the Meto Expert pricing gun range. In particular, in this video I'm looking at the M series, model number 1426. This gun replaces the Eagle 1426 and takes exactly the same inks and labels as its predecessor. Because it's a Meto tool, it has a universal pressure device system in it, which basically means, in English, no matter how heavily or softly you press the trigger, you get the same quality of print appear each time. If we take a closer look at the print head on the 1426, you can see it's a double line gun. I've got mine set to do the date at the top, so you can adjust the date easily just by selecting the correct band and moving the dial up or down and then pushing it back in once you've found the correct date. And then I've got mine set to do the price at the bottom. I mean, you can use the gun for a variety of applications. It doesn't have to be date and price. You can also use it for coding or batch marking. What I'd probably recommend you do is check out the print head configuration that appears in the video description of this video, and that will give you the full list of what's available on the print head. But you can see there, as soon as I changed the price and date, it appeared on the very next label. So a bit about Meto guns. They're manufactured in Germany, obviously to the highest standards, and they are unique pretty much in the price gun world, serviceable guns. So if you damage your Meto gun, you can send it back to a service centre like us, Shop Stuff or Infalabel, and you can do that within the warranty period or beyond the warranty period. So whereas some guns you might buy on eBay or Amazon, you might be looking to get months or a couple of years use out of them. Once you damage them, they're not repairable. With Meto guns, you're looking at decades of use if they're looked after and serviced. So that's something to bear in mind when you're looking at what to order. With Meto tools, you've also got continuity of consumable supply, so you can check out the Shop Stuff website and see the range of ink rollers and price gun labels we have available from stock. If we take a closer look at what are the improvements between the old Eagle range and the Expert range, effectively what Meto have done, have taken a look at the areas of the gun that it's possible to damage. So if the gun gets dropped or thrown around, they've strengthened the weak points, so the handle and trigger area have been reinforced, as has the label compartment, and also a critical area, the very front piece here, has been reinforced. You can also see another development is the transparent front flap, which now gives a clear view of the print head and ink roller area, making any potential jams easier to spot. So all in all, the 1426 is a cracking gun. It's available from stock from the shopstuff.co.uk website. It's supplied ready to use straight from the box, so all Meto guns come with a preloaded ink roller and a preloaded roll of labels. So for more information on the Meto Expert range, so other guns in the range, and also technical videos of how to change the ink rollers and reload new labels, check out the video links appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.